I want you to know that I see your determination and resilience, and I understand the frustrations you've faced in your pursuit of success. You've tried everything, poured your heart and soul into making money on the internet, but it seems like success continues to elude you. In moments of defeat, it's natural to question your abilities and wonder if your efforts will ever bear fruit. But my dear friend, I want to remind you that your journey is not over, and there is hope waiting just around the corner. Life has an uncanny way of throwing challenges our way, and it's easy to feel disheartened when faced with setbacks. You've taken risks, embraced failures, and persevered through countless obstacles, and for that, I applaud you. Each attempt, each endeavor, has brought you one step closer to the breakthrough you deserve. The path to success is rarely linear. It's filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. It's easy to lose sight of your dreams when faced with disappointments, but it's essential to remember that failure is not a destination, but merely a stepping stone towards greatness.
Think about the countless stories of those who have faced repeated failures before achieving the heights of success. Thomas Edison faced thousands of failed attempts before inventing the light bulb, and J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter was rejected numerous times before becoming a worldwide phenomenon. Their journeys are a testament to the power of persistence and the indomitable spirit of the human soul. Dear friend, I want you to embrace your failures as stepping stones towards your dreams. Each setback is an opportunity to learn, grow, and evolve. Use the knowledge gained from your experiences to refine your approach and chart a new course towards success. In the digital realm, the landscape is ever-changing, and what works today might not work tomorrow. It's essential to stay adaptable, open-minded, and willing to explore new avenues. Embrace your creativity and let your imagination soar. You never know when the next breakthrough idea might strike. Surround yourself with a supportive network of like-minded individuals who understand your struggles and cheer on your successes. The power of community is immeasurable. It can provide encouragement when you're at your lowest and inspiration when you need it the most. Believe in yourself and your abilities, even when the world seems to doubt you. Remember that your potential is limitless, and you possess the strength to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. You are capable of achieving greatness, and your journey is far from over.
When doubt creeps in, remind yourself of the reason you began this journey in the first place. Connect with your passion and let it fuel your drive to succeed. You have a unique gift to offer the world, and the world is waiting for you to share it. In the face of adversity, it's natural to feel disheartened and question your worth. But I want you to know that your worth is not defined by your successes or failures. You are inherently valuable, and your journey is a testament to your strength and courage. Dear friend, don't lose faith in yourself or your dreams. The road to success is paved with challenges, but it is also sprinkled with moments of joy, growth, and transformation. Embrace the journey, cherish the lessons, and never forget the fire that burns within you. I believe in you, and I know that you have the power to turn your dreams into reality. So, take a deep breath, dust off your setbacks, and continue your quest with unwavering determination. The world is waiting for the brilliance that only you can bring.